and girls, nice to see you all again. I hope you had a lovely week with Miss Selwyn. You'll notice I'm in a bit of a different room. I wonder if you know which room I'm in. Yeah, that's right, I'm in the tree house. I've come over here to get some peace and quiet from all the children in school, but actually it's lovely and warm in here, so I might do a bit more filming in here. I think I've discovered a secret place to do some more filming. Right, time for some kinetic letters. And we're starting by warming up our hands, getting our brains in that kinetic letters mood by practicing one of our slider family letters that you were doing with Miss Selwyn last week. Push, slide, push. What is it? Yeah, it's a zzz. Well done. Now, from what I saw at the children at school, I want you to really practice. Oh gosh, that is terrible, Miss Nicholas. I was about to say practice straight lines, and then I drew a wobbly line. Okay, practice really straight lines, because if you do curvy lines, it looks more like a backwards S. So push, slide back down, push. Push, oh gosh, slide back down, push. They were not particularly good. It's not very easy writing on this board, which is on a box. Okay, if you could have a practice, your challenge, which I think you will be brilliant at, is can you do 3 better Z's than me? Well done. They were much better than me, boys and girls. Super duper. Right, this week, we're going to be going back over one of the families that we've already learnt. In fact, it was the very first family we learnt in school. And the reason we were going back over it is we've noticed on the tapestry and in school, lots of children have just forgotten where to start these letters from. And it's the jumper family. And for this family, we need both bounce and skip. Here they are. And they're going to help us with both of these, and with all of the letters, sorry, in the jumper family. And the one we're going to start with is the very first letter we learnt in kinetic letters. And I really like this letter because it's at the beginning of this animal. What animal is that? Can you tell? Yeah, it's a hedgehog. Well done. And what does hedgehog begin with? Fantastic, it does. And here is my. So is this brave? Where's my face? Is it brave monkey or scared monkey? Yeah, it's a brave monkey letter. We're going to go over this brave monkey letter. Here's Bounce to help us. Now, if I move my chair, I might be able to stand up to do this, and I think I can. Brilliant. Okay, brave monkey's branch, nice and tall arms, taller than mine, all the way up to the top. We're gonna go down, bump to the floor, back up to the scared monkey's branch, push over, down, bump, flick. Brilliant, boys and girls. Now, in that letter, we have to push. And when we push away from the tree, okay? So push is away from the tree. That's really helpful to remember for a game we're going to play tomorrow. Okay, are you ready? Brave monkey's branch, make sure you're standing up, just like me. Down, bump, back up, push over, down, bump, flick. You got it? Fantastic. Who's got the tallest arm? Nice and tall. Down, bump, back up to the scared monkey's branch, push over, down, bump, flick. Now when we get to our flick, something else I noticed on tapestry is some children are doing lovely letters and huge flicks. So sometimes we'll say, whisper the flick. Shh, it's only very tiny. Watch what happens when I whisper the flick. Are you ready? Down, bump, back up to the scared monkey's branch, push over, down, bump, flick. Flick, tiny flick. We don't need big flicks, boys and girls. Let's do it again. Stand up for me. Make sure you're still standing. And we're going to whisper the flick. Okay, ready? Down, bump, back up, push over, down, bump, flick. Well done. You can't see my flick because my camera's too tall. Down, bump, back up, push over, down, bump, flick. Now, mums and dads, you might want to stop the video now and have another little practice of that. Keep going for a minute, or we're going to carry on. Okay, so we're going to play another little game now. What I want you to do is, with the adult who's working with you today, is I want you to practice drawing a on each other's backs. So you're going to have to start at the very top, down, bump, back up, push over, down, bump, flick. And I want the person, I want boys and girls, you're going to be checking your mums and dads are doing a lovely on your back, and they're going to be checking it on theirs, okay? So stop the video now and have a go. You could also draw it in sand, you could also draw it in chalk on the floor, but we're doing nice big movements before we move into our small movements on our board. So off you go. Okay, welcome back. Good movements, boys and girls, nice and tall. So if we're ever struggling with our little movements, big ones, and then move on. Okay, let's see how straight my line can be when I've got no help on this board. There we go, scared monkey's branch. Lovely, not too bad. Okay, let's practice that. Can you remind me of the actions, because I've forgotten? Lovely, well done. So where am I starting? Shout it. Yeah, brave monkey's branch. Down, bump, back, up, push, over, down, bump, flick. Did we have our 3 friends hold? Did we remember? Have we got our lovely, it's easier with this pen than it is with the other board pen. Have we got our lovely 3 friends hold? Down, bump, back, up, push, over, down, bump, flick. Down, bump, back, up, push, over, down, bump, flick. Fantastic, well done everybody. Now, I've kept my lovely 3 friends hold, so I'm going to give myself a monkey smile, and I think all my hers are formed correctly. I started at the brave monkey's branch. I've got a nice and tall flick, so I'm going to give myself a turtle tick. I'm also going to think, which one is my best? Point to the one you think is my best. Yeah, do you know what? I think it's my first one. I think my fluency and my flow weren't quite as good. I've got my lovely first one, but then my writing wasn't as neat on my second and third, so I'm going to give myself that as a challenge next time to make all 3 as good as my first one. I wonder which one yours is. Which one is your best? Okay, stop the video now and have a practice 3 by the tree. Brilliant, well done. Okay, time, I think, yeah, for some words. Get rid of my smile and my tick, but I'll leave my monkey and my turtle. Right, we're going to write 4 words today. And they're going to include some digraphs as well. Ooh, some digraphs that include the that you learnt last week with Miss Selwyn. Can you remember what they are? Yeah, the ch, 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 and the sh. I said to the children in school that sh is one of my favourite digraphs. I use it all the time. Shh. Okay, the first word we're going to write is chill. Chill. Can you give me a sentence with chill in? Brilliant. At school we were laughing and saying chill out, but actually we could say chilly. It was very chilly in the fridge. We like to chill our wine in the fridge before we drink it, or Ribena, depending on what your drink of choice is. Chill. Can you sound out chill for me, boys and girls? Fantastic. And again, all together. Ill. Chill. Now, ch is our train, which is a curly-cur, abracadabra, and there's that we've been learning today. Whisper the flick. Ill. Now, boys and girls, ill. Chill. Now, I like to do reading. I read lots and lots at home. And I'm looking at that and I'm thinking that doesn't look right. Because in my reading, I've seen the word chill lots and lots and lots. And that doesn't look right. I think chill has a digraph ul. And when I put my ul in now, because I'm a reader, I think that looks right now. Do you agree? Yeah. So that's why our reading, boys and girls, is so, so, so important, because it really helps us with our spelling and our writing. Now, 2 digraphs in that word. Ill, chill. Take a picture. I'm going to rub it out. Write me the word chill. Don't forget that 3 friends hold before you start. Well done, boys and girls. Super word, chill. Okay. The next word we're going to write is shop. Can you put shop into a sentence for me? I went to the shop and bought lots of chocolate to share with my friends. Brilliant. Give me any sentence with shop in it. Sound out shop for me. Well done all together. Sh, up, shop. Super. And shh is my favourite diagram. Shh, shop. So shh starts with a s, not a k, a s. Shh. And there's my h again, we're practicing. Shh, oh. Pull around, push along the ground, on round, push across. That line's for when we join up in a few years' time. Shh, up. There's another one we're going to be practicing this week. Down, on, down, back up, push over, pull along the ground. So important that we go down first so we don't get it mixed up with that qu we learned last week. Okay, let's put my sound buttons in. Check it's right. Shh, up, shop. Yeah, fantastic. Take a picture. Okay, off you go. Well done, boys and girls. Super writing. You're doing brilliantly well. I'm so impressed with how you've remembered that sh and ch from last week. Well done. Okay, next word. Let's do rich. Can you put rich into a sentence? I wish I was rich so I could... What would you do if you were rich? Lovely, some fantastic ideas. Well done. Okay, sound out rich for me. All together. Rich. Super. Is another jumper family letter. So it's a curly K, and there's my we've been learning today. Rich. Read it with me. Rich. Super. Take a picture. Brilliant. Off you go. Last one. And you are done. Super work today, boys and girls. Keep practicing that h. If you're doing any writing at home, making sure you're doing that. Maybe you could write mum's and dad's shopping list. Now, the next sentence is, the next word you're going to put into a sentence. I'm going to start it and I want you to finish it, okay? My word is wish. Wish. So I'm going to start the sentence. You're going to finish it. I wish for... Oh, lovely, boys and girls. What fantastic wishes you made. They are so lovely. Okay, sound out the word wish for me. All together. Ish, wish. Okay. First. I, sh. That's a s and a h. Okay. Ish, wish. Take a picture. Off you go. Brilliant, boys and girls. Well done. You have worked so hard today. That if we can get that down bump action, that's going to really help us for the other sounds we're going over this week in the jumper family. Well done for working so hard again at home, and I will see you tomorrow.